In this video, I will show you how to make thousands of dollars every single day in cryptocurrencies. This method is 100% beginner friendly. And if you have zero experience in cryptocurrencies, then this video is perfect for you. But guys, make sure not to skip any important step in this video. So make sure you stay tuned and watch all the way until the end. Welcome to our channel, where we teach you how to make money online. The simplest way, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Step number 1. Come over to Latium.org. Latium is a free freelancer website which helps you find work at home. If you come over to this website, you're going to scroll down and you can see how it works. You got two options: I want to hire and I want to work. Since we're here to make money, so we're going to select I want to work. So once you click on this button, it's going to give you this pop-up. Type in your email address, and after that, once you've done, click on this check I'm not a robot and fill in the captcha and click on the sign up button. So guys, once you've done that, as you can see right here, it says thank you for registering, please check your emails and verify your address. The next step that I want you guys to do is go to your email address and verify this account. Now complete registration process. You have to enter your first name and last name, email address, your username, then enter your password and check the captcha box and then continue. You can see they're giving us two options: I want to hire and I want to work. Click on I want to work. So once you click on it, it's going to want you to upload your picture, your biography, your skills, hourly rate. This process I'm going to skip. So I have to put a skill. So my skill is blockchain and crypto mining. Click on that. I'm just going to choose Bitcoin and Ethereum, Open Chain, and Ripple. You can enter your hourly rate. And next, upload a portfolio that can showcase all the work that you've done in the previous years. Once you've completed your profile, it is going to show you this page. Congratulations. I want you guys to do is go over to browse projects. Since we're here to earn money, we're going to click on browse projects, not freelancers, and the website is going to look like this. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of jobs posted on this website, and a lot of now you can choose whichever job that is most suitable for you. Step number 2. I want you guys to show you how you can bid on a job. So let's just take this job, for example. Our project budget is somewhere between $15 to $20. So once you click on it, the web page is going to look something like this. And it's going to give you all the requirements that this employer wants us. On look right side, you can see the place a bid option. Select your amount, date, and send a message. Tell them how you're complete the job. And now, if you want to earn even more money, please check the first link on the details given below to learn how to earn free bitcoins using the best Bitcoin mining app for beginners 2021 this year. Whoever without can experience the past. Yes, it is possible, and I will show you exactly how to get there in that video. Check this out. Thanks a lot for watching, and be sure to like notification to drop for another subscription so you don't miss any new material. As always, I'll see you in the next few videos.